Hi guys, today I will introduce this town,
Gunsan.
Of course, this train is not used anymore. We preserve this road as it was 50 years ago. We can wear the old school uniform. I guess the uniform was in 1970s. It was very exciting even for me because I never have any experience to wear the school uniform. So how amazing my kids were at the time. Wearing the uniform, we can enjoy and take many photos for a while. It's very popular for tourists. We can see the very amazing products and snacks which we were able to get long time ago. Even me, when I was young, I enjoyed to eat the fruits and snacks, very funny things. For a long time, we go up the railroad tracks. As we go up the railroad tracks, we get to the place of our goal. Ta-da! This place is it! We went to make and eat the Dalgona. This name is Dalgona. With a big spoon, we put the sugar and stir continuously on the gas oven. I remember when I was young, I secretly threw away a lot of letters. Because of this, it is necessary to wait. It will be melt. I remember again one more thing. During that time, I had very much time to have a chat with my friends. The ones were the textbooks at the time. It is a very exciting time for kids. If the sugar melts all, we put the baking soda a little. And we need to stir again until when they all melt. You can see the sugar changes to beige color. She put the baking soda to my son's radar. We can see the painted color. Its color is beige. My daughter, she is very curious. She wants to get very many things about that. As soon as possible, we have to move to the tray because just like this. We have to pour the sugar quickly before it hardens, like this. Very fast, you need it. And then, moreover, we can make the various form with the shape frame. My son wants to make the rocket form. And my daughter wants to make the heart form. You can guess. It was very exciting for everyone. I recommend you go this town, Gunsan, with family or your friends and next ones. Go. Okay, this time is that we have to say bye-bye. These are my family. We are very happy family. Bye guys.